gas station chilling. Next thing I know, dispatch called me and tell me that they need a tow. Yo, talk to me. At this gas station, what you got? Alright, about to go get it. So I'm pulling up to the parking lot. The first thing I see is the blue car backed into the handicap spot. I checked to see if somebody was in it. Nobody was in it, so I just bagged up to it. Next thing I know, this chick just come running at me out of nowhere.
What are you doing? Okay, but I'm just saying, it's cold. Really?
I don't care what it is.
You not towing my car? I got money, but you don't have to pay. You got $200. You don't have
Don't touch that on my shit. Okay, so I didn't want to get hit by that crowbar, so I went to my truck and I grabbed me a shovel off of it to defend myself. And I told her I'd drop the car for the county rate, which is $145, or she can pay $225 at the storage lot. I'm not gonna lie to you, they called me to tow it. You crazy little bitch.
You not gonna burn out with my money. Today was a crazy day, YouTube. Did not know I had a crowbar on the back of my truck. She chased me around. Hey guys, if you want to see more videos, please subscribe and tune in. Ring the bell so you can get alerted whenever I make a video. Thank you guys.